5 strategies, 30 minutes, and 1,000 LinkedIn connections. Today, I'm going to share you the for reach from 0 to 1,000 connections in next 30 days. Just follow the step-by-step process consistently. Do not stop it because LinkedIn algorithm is checking you on every day. Ensure the time you spend on LinkedIn has to be consistent at the same time. Don't change that time frame because if you're doing it daily, say morning 15 minutes, afternoon 15 minutes, evening 15 minutes, follow the same pattern. The job season is going to start in next month itself. So start preparing right now to be noticed and to be seen by people on LinkedIn, to network and to grow your profile. Is first to complete your profile. Before you do anything, just complete 80% of your profile. As you complete 80% of the profile, your profile will be seen by a lot of network people. I'm talking about even if you are at say 1 or 2 connections or 0 connections, if you complete your profile, they will see you. Second part, go and join groups. So there are, if you go on my profile, I'll just show you. I'm part of a lot of groups. So over here are my groups. As I join a lot of groups, I start. So all these particular groups show all. And these are the people, wherever you see message, they are connected to me, directly connected to. And I can start networking with them. There are a lot of such group members where I am not connected at all. I can start networking with them. If they are, say, let's go back. Let's see Chief Executive Officers Group. We have over here Jaikant Mishra. He is not connected to me. That's why I see this follow. I start commenting over here. As I comment, what will happen is he'll come to know. And once he comes to know, he will come and visit my profile. I want him to visit my profile. And if I start giving him comments more and more times, he will notice me, and then I can send a connection request to him. So whatever you start, it's think about it, it's like a network. And in a networking event, you start discussing with different people. And that's what is happening in this particular group. So use groups of your industry to start leveraging and start pulling in more people as a part of your network. Then comes the second part is events. So there are a lot of events that people organize. And what you can, so future proof your marketing, I can go and view this particular event. And so registered, I've registered for the event. Now that I'm attending the event, I see all the attendees over here. I can connect with them. I can follow them. I can send them a message. I can send Paul Smith a message and I can start networking with them. This is how I start building my network connections. Now, do not directly send a message saying that I want to be connected with you. Nobody honors it. I will exactly show you what you need to do. So when you're sending any connection request, just go and watch his featured article or last post, which is 15 hours. So let's talk prices. You use this as a post, as a context. Second thing that we learned is how to use and leverage events. Now you are not part of any third, fourth connections, so you can join any number of events. There's no blocker on the joining number of events. So second part is events. The third part is turning off your creator mode. A lot of people want to be known as a creator. They will have a tab. This is what on my profile. On my profile, if you come, you cannot send a connection request because I have kept my creator mode on. You will only see follow button. Why I have kept follow button is because I get on a day at least 10 to 15 connection requests. It's difficult for me to keep on approving all the connection requests. If people like my content, because I'm a content creator, if you like my content, you can follow me. And then I say more and send a connection request. This is what people do if they really want to connect with you. And if I want to connect with that person, I okay. But otherwise, because of the creator, now I'll show you where the creator mode is. So you can change it. So you go into the settings part, and as you move into the settings part, it's over here. Post, comments, follow, link, live mode available. See over here, creator tools. These are the creator tools that are available to me because I'm creator. So I can go on LinkedIn Live, I can start newsletters and follow link. If I click over here, I can put this follow link everywhere. Or creator mode is into settings part. You can go into your profile and edit the profile in the settings part. So the third part is turn off your creator mode. If by mistake you have kept it on as a fresher or newcomer on LinkedIn, if you really want to grow by 1,000 connections, no need of creator mode or follow button. Nobody is going to follow you because they don't trust you. Fourth part is using Alumni network. Go on your profile, and if you have added your company names wherever you are working, or this is your college. So go on your education, the alumni, you will come across 1,000 people. Now this 1,000 people can become a part of your network if you introduce, since both of you working were studying in the same college, there is a high probability that they will approve your connection request if you introduce yourself properly and write to them about why you are introducing yourself. You just send random, nothing is going to happen. You can also search the years when you were studying over here, so 2004 to 2007. People who are related during that particular period will only be seen over here, and you can start engaging with them and approaching them. Then comes the next part is your professional alumni. Now, what is professional alumni? Professional alumni are the people who were in the same company where you worked. So let's see Havas. And in Havas, if you go, you'll find people. And these are the number of people who are part of. So 57 people are part and only 14 are connected to me. So I want to be a part of a known network, because tomorrow, if they jump to some other company, I want them to help. I can also here request, for example, I'm connected to Dipti Naik. I'll request Dipti to introduce me to somebody who was part of Havas, not when I was there, but when she was there, and she will introduce me. Use this alumni network to again grow your profile. And these are the places which gives you a spike in the number of profile connection requests which get approved. A lot of people have not used it properly. And then last and most easiest thing about growing your profile is these are the people where you see connection. Everywhere, click on their profile, see the last post, use that post as a context to send them a connection request and start building your connections. Even if on daily basis you are able to send 50 connection requests, and on an average for a new fresher account you have approval rate of around 40, you will be able to in your network. Then, as I told you, start commenting. As you start commenting, because people want somebody to comment on their post, they will come and connect with you. This is where you get connection requests from people. Outbound connection request 20, inbound receiving connection request 20. Imagine on a daily basis, even if 50 people connect with you on a minimal thing, within 20 days, you have reached 1,000 people. And I am guaranteeing within 30 days, you'll reach it. You just follow this process for next 20 days. This is the most easiest way grow your LinkedIn profile and reach a mark of 1,000 people. I have reached now almost crossed 31,000 connections, and I still use this particular strategy. So it's not something that I do not use. I'm giving you a particular strategy which I use on day-to-day basis. Thanks for joining in today. See you in my next video. I'll be giving all the resources and what you need to do, and some video links where you can understand about how to send a cold message or a prompt, about using a prompt for sending connection request. When you are new, it's difficult to write in 2 characters or 250 characters. So you need to use a chat GPT prompt. Thanks for joining in. I'm your coach Moses. Bye for now.